What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get into today's video of working on this Jeep, figuring out this whole fuel pressure issue, my mom, when I was young, she taught me the ABCs, and that is to always be selling. And today we are selling subscriptions to our MotionAuto TV VIP subscription, where we are actually doing a giveaway this month for this fully loaded tool cart. So this thing is pretty sick. So a lot of people, I feel like they don't even like the big toolboxes like we have over there anymore. They just like get rid of that and literally get a tool cart and then load it up full of stuff. So what we're gonna do is we have a ton of Tecton tools, basically an automotive technician starter bundle. It's like $1,500. That is gonna come with this thing. And we're gonna be putting some Milwaukee tools in here, one of the electronic ratchets and the little stubby impact gun, which is like my favorite tool in the shop. So if you are already a VIP, you are automatically entered for a chance to win this thing. We have $10 a month, $20 a month, and $50 a month. And how that works, $10 members, they get 10 entries. The $50 members, they get 50 entries. With the VIP subscription on the website, you have your own portal that you have access to exclusive content. We have a private Facebook group. We have a private Discord group where we're very active. So if you haven't checked out our VIP program, or you're interested in exclusive giveaways, exclusive content, click that link below this video and become one today.
What did Daddy get?
Dad,
Carson, what do you think? What is this thing?
it's a Jeep that's so loud.
Pretty loud, huh? Kenzie, do you like my Jeep?
It's not for the girls, it's so loud.
Can Daddy make it quiet?
I fixed it. It's a little bit quieter. What do you think of the Jeep? Kenzie, do you like the
Would
Jeep?
be nice.
Dad, I
Paint
wanna
it,
go
should we
in
paint
there.
it yellow or should we paint it pink?
Yellow.
How do you get in that thing and gotta bring a step ladder with you? The last video you guys seen, we unveiled the Jeep. We talked about it. We figured out that it's kind of dropping fuel pressure, and it did not make it up the Rod Knock Mountain. But today, I stopped at the local parts store, and I picked up a fuel pump apparatus, and this is the one that has the fuel pressure regulator filter on top of it. And I'm assuming just, you might as well just replace the whole thing. Go ahead and do that. And then we're gonna take, I don't know if we're gonna take these kids for a ride in it or not, but it's not a bad Jeep. I'm pretty stoked about this thing. We released the first video, and it seems like the first couple people that watched the video like the idea of the Jeep, which I'm a big fan of the idea of the Jeep. But overall, it's gonna get fixed and ripping. Someone said that you should just drop the tank. Is that what you're doing? Fuel tank is out, and you can see this is definitely probably the original unit that was in here. It says ZJ on the side of it, but if you spell that backwards, that's actually JZ, so I think it might want a JZ in it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, or a diesel JZ. Take a look at this guy. So this is the little filter sock on the bottom. Look at that.
Goodness.
It's just like crumbly stuff, and that's exactly where it, look at that, and it's all crummy right there.
Yeah. That's
So,
probably your issue.
I mean, it was probably that. Also, the fuel in there doesn't smell the best. I mean, you could just see, look at that. And it also kind of looks like it's like sandy at the top of that, which makes me feel like there's like water in there, because sometimes water kind of does that. I'm kind of sad we put like 5 gallons of fresh fuel in there yesterday before we did this, because now it's kind of full. I don't think it really makes sense to put fresh fuel pump in with old crazy fuel. So I think we're gonna go ahead and put this in containers, and then what can we even run that in? Put it in your car. Put it in the Cobalt.
Maybe.
It's free. Well, you just put 2-3 gallons in a week, and that's like driving to work for free, buddy.
Oh, appreciate that.
Look at that. So gas is on me this week.
Oh, appreciate that.
How about that?
Hey,
this
really
tank,
appreciate that, pal.
This tank is on me, buddy. So we have a fresh fuel pump, and again, we could have probably just replaced the pump, but this whole unit is just a fresh unit. Look at that. Brand new sock, brand new rubber guys, brand new gasket for the top, and it was like 155 bucks. So it's like cheap Jeep. Expensive fuel pump. I mean, really 155 bucks. You can't really complain with that. And it has a warranty, so we should be good to go. Jamie, what do you think? Oh, so Jamie last night, so she was kind of like upset, so I went and picked this up on Sundays.
I was a little upset about whenever you picked it
Well,
up.
Sunday's kind of like the only day that I have off at home, where I kind of hang out with the kids. I told her like right before she went to bed, I was like, hey, I'm gonna wake up early in the morning, I'm gonna go pick up this Jeep. I was like, all right, good night, honey. And then like, so I literally woke up at 7:30, came out to the shop, grabbed the truck, grabbed the trailer, went straight to the Jeep, loaded it up, grabbed the shipping container, which you may have seen. We got a shipping container. Look at this. 5,000 square foot shop is enough. So anyhow, grabbed the Jeep, went to the, they already picked up the shipping container, came right back to the shop, parked the truck and went home, and I was home by noon. Not
I
bad.
think it was like 1,
Not bad, you know.
keeping score.
But then now she wants the Jeep. She wants to paint it
I
pink.
kind of want to make it into a Barbie Jeep. I think it looks like a Barbie Jeep.
Now you guys can't get mad at me because this is Jamie's Jeep now.
Yeah, and we could do this like purple trim, pink body.
White light bar, maybe some white wheels. I don't
Then
know.
she and
like
Colette. Then she and Colette could go
One
drive
of
around
those
together.
things?
Yeah,
Is
we
that
could
what you
bring-
mean? Like a,
Well, so like we could do the wheels white, this white,
and then
the
like those circle lights.
Like
Yeah,
the lights
circle
on
lights, like some
top.
KC lights, yeah.
Casey lights, but they'll be Jamie lights.
Barbie.
Barbie Jamie lights. I don't know. I mean, I'm not opposed to the idea. We'll just get you out here and start sanding some body work.
If you want to see this become a Barbie Jeep, like the video.
It'll be
Jamie's.
Jamie's.
It would be a dream come true.
Jamie's. I mean, honestly, like it wouldn't be bad. Like
It
literally,
would
we
be kind of
could
fun.
we could call up Colette and be like, what is the color scheme that you would do on this? And she'd just tell us. Colette and Adam could come out. We could go drifting. You guys could go on the Barbie Jeep.
Yeah.
It'd be a great time. Charles, I hope that Cobalt likes running out of lacquer.
What's that?
Fuel pump is in. I think it's ready to go. So put these hose clamps on these guys for the evap and the freaking this guy. Look at that. Moment of truth. You know, key on. Look, we got fuel pressure gauge right here.
I'll hold that. You go ahead.
I want to hold it.
Oh, okay.
Here we go. Oh, did you see that? Another one? Oh, buddy.
Whoa!
Look at that. Are you ready? Oh.
Oh, buddy!
It's rock solid too. It was jumping around so much the other day. It was like, I mean, the engine might need a little help, but the fuel pressure is mint.
Problem 1 solved.
We fixed one thing. All right. So now I guess the Jeep doesn't really go that far without a key, right? We have not driven this thing yet. I moved it out of the shop and parked it under the canopy. Now it is time for the first drive. See how this unit does going up Jetta / Rodnock Ranger Mountain. Look at this though. Think this is a problem?
No e-brake? Oh, nice e-brake though.
Little pop. Check this out too. 4-wheel drive. Oh, okay, maybe that works. I don't know if that. I actually don't even know if that works. It's a little squirrely. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness.
Dude.
We're gonna hit the brakes. We're gonna go off in the field. All right. First obstacle. Should we go over?
Are we going over that?
Well, I don't know. I feel like it's gonna get high centered. That's kind of
Probably get high centered.
That's kind of peaky, you know. We could probably go over it like right here.
Well, let's maybe not. Maybe not. Okay.
What? This is fine. Look at it. Oh.
That sounds wonderful.
Oh, that was, buddy, this thing is,
Oh, this thing's
it.
easy.
That was it, buddy. It would have died by now, right?
Oh, yeah. Great.
Crazy thing is I can't be too impressed. Can't really be that impressed because the Jetta made it up this mountain. Goodness, this thing needs shocks. Terrible.
I know the video never does this justice, but like this is easily like a good 400-foot drop all the way down there, and it's a relatively sheer mountainside, so like I don't know, video never does justice. Look at that front end. Easy. Easy.
So the thing is I'm not like, it's not a like a Baja truck.
Right.
You know,
It's a
like
crawler.
It's a crawler. We're supposed to crawl over the things, you know, like up the side of that mountain.
Yeah. Not gonna work. Okay, they're not locking. You want me to lock your hubs?
It is locked.
Yeah, it just won't work. Right here you can see on the strut, you can see where it bangs together, like the coil is flexing that way.
Go pull it in and out of four-wheel drive, because I'm gonna see if I can manually move the transfer case lever and put it in low, because then this thing will freaking send right up. Yeah, the lever just isn't moving. There's like a thing that it needs to go in, and it's not in it, which I could go back to the shop and fix it.
Nice ergo chair, buddy.
Oh, buddy. Shout out to Ben Pack, the ergo chair. Let's see. Underneath the car, the transfer case, this lever. There's like a lever that goes down to a pivot point that has basically a bolt, like a rod that goes from like the transmission to the side of the Jeep, like the transmission tunnel. That rod, it goes like this, and then the lever goes to this thing, and when you pull it, it pulls on that, and that goes to the arm, and it goes burp, burp, like to like go in and out of like, you know, the transfer case. So like 4 high, 4 low. If you remember, the transfer case was like literally hanging down on the bottom, like I think that was the only thing holding it, and it popped out. And so now I need to like take off this bracket to be able to put that like thing in it, to then put the bracket back up and bolt it in, because right now it's just hanging. So it's technically hooked up, but when you like pull that lever, everything just like flops around, because it's not like pinned to where it could actually do this. It's like burp, 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 and it just doesn't do anything. So we're fixing that.
That starts up every time.
That's a good feeling. All right, put it in neutral. We got 4 high, neutral, 4 low, buddy. Oh, you feel that?
Oh, dude, it's already in 2nd gear.
We're gonna do some crawling now. Look at it.
Okay, your front right is spinning. So are your axles locked?
I think. I mean.
Wow, hold on. I want to go see the front end when you do that.
I feel like it's not even that sketchy of an angle.
No, it's not.
We're airing down.
I don't think those lockers work. Nice. She wants to go. Let's go, come on. She's right there. Go, 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 go. You got it, you got it. Oh gosh. Whoa! Jeez. Dude, you're just getting splattered.
It's just, well, I have my head out of the window. You know, like if you own a Jeep, you gotta have your head out of the window, like that, you know? That's what you do. Like, there's no reason this shouldn't be able to go up that. I mean, obviously, like, there's some loose rock, there's some things like that, but like, geez, like that, I could ride up that on my pit bike. Looking at it, you're like, oh, but then like once you do it, you're like, yeah, we should be able to go up this. I don't know, it should go up it. So from what you guys can see at the front end of this thing, we definitely have a little bit of work to do, but I'm stoked that like my $1,400 Jeep actually rips. It's not getting hot. We got good oil pressure. The battery voltage is good. It's been running for
Cold
like,
AC.
Cold AC. We got like 30 or 40 minutes of it literally running with no issues. So if you guys have not became a VIP to get entered for a chance to win our loaded toolbox giveaway, the link will be in the description. That ends at the end of this month. So all current VIPs are automatically entered. And if you're not a current VIP, well, you might as well join the team. The video of us getting this thing is going to be right here. Appreciate you guys watching. See you later.